Well, this could be an exercise in futility, but I'm going to give it a shot. Overheating problems, 94 Mustang. I've been through, 3 radiators. Everything's new in the system, including the block. It's 375 cubic inches, turbocharged 15 pounds. Haven't found a way to keep it from overheating here in the desert. So now I'm going to be trying to adapt a Lincoln Mark VIII fan into the what do you call it? Fan shroud, the stock fan shroud. Not much left of it now after cutting it out, but we'll see what happens. It might work, it might not, but I'm giving it a shot. Well, we'll see. So far, so good. We actually got our test fit in. So you can see where I've strapped it. I don't know if you can see or not. This stuff, I've cracked it a few times, so I had to repair it. Not a big deal. I don't care if it's ugly. I just want it to work. So here we are. So we've got clearance there. So I'm happy so far. I'm about 1/3 of the way there, getting it actually done, but I've gotten it in. Yeah. And the mess gets bigger. Okay, it's time to start rebuilding the shroud, fitting the fan. Now sometimes fiberglass resin didn't stick to this type of plastic, but JB Weld does. So what I'm doing is the fiberglass reinforcement. I am actually gluing it on with the JB Weld, and then I'll add the fiberglass resin next. So that's a little bit of progress and a whole lot of new mess. Alrighty, first stage of fiberglassing is done. So much more to go, but one section's started. Alright, got the second part fiberglassed in. You can see that's the bottom, that's the top. So we're making progress. It's just taking a lot of time. Section 3's done. Making progress. Well, she ain't pretty. But 2 pieces are now 1. A lot of cleanup to do, but lots of progress. Woohoo! Yeah. Alrighty, next step. We've got we've got it to fit. At least I'll be able to get in and out, and it fits in the area there with clearance. So now I just have to modify a few things to get the fan to sit flat on the radiator. So more work, less progress, a little bit of progress, but that's how it goes. Not that anybody else will try this, because I'm probably the only nutter that would do it. This is one of the little funky parts of this job. Now I've got everything's fitting flush against the radiator now, but we have this extension down here. So what I had to do basically is I just wrapped plastic all around the radiator and the back also. Then I took a sheet of the thick, God, I don't know how heavy this stuff is, but it's the heaviest I could find, cloth. And as you can see it, hopefully down here, is I laid it down there and then I wrapped it up around here. Now I'm obviously going to trim it off, so I didn't want that all glued down up there. But this will seal off the what is it? Yeah, it's the bottom. So this is going to seal off the bottom of the fan area. So That's just a little funky thing you kind of have to do when you're modifying fans and stuff. But yeah, it's a big job, and I wanted to try it. So here we are. Yeah, good thing we have a warm day still. Even though it's October, we are sun drying the fiberglass. She's all hard now, so now we can start the cleanup and the fitting. How cool. She ain't pretty, but she's one piece now. Do a little bit of cleanup. Just a little bit. I just wanted to get these two put together. So, well, there she is. Yep, she's still ugly, but I got a little bit of black paint on her. It's supposed to be like bed liner stuff, but hey, like I said, this is for a driver and to keep her from overheating, trying to get these two pieces together. So yeah, let's just hope this mess works.